Forgotten username recovery failed on Plum Business Fix. If your Plum Business username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume Plum still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Plum now uses your registered email as a primary login method, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Plum Business app or go to the website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past emails from Plum, like payment confirmations, account statements, or notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if the reset email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, make sure to log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Plum Business Support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Plum removed usernames to simplify login and enhance security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Plum Business account in minutes.